Hey everybody, there's a couple things in the tool library that we need to change. Discovered when I was programming. So please do these amendments to a couple tools before you move forward with programming, and you won't discover them in the middle of programming like I did. So the first one is cut the arbitrary shoulder and body length a little bit too short for this particular tool. It needs to be extended out a little bit more. So please change the parameter so that the shoulder length is 1.5 inches and the body length is 1.5 inches. I think we ended up taking default settings when I did the tutorial. Okay, we're going to go to the next tool, and that is the boring bar. I was disappointed with how HSM simulates boring bars in here, because it's still pretty common to use boring bars without inserts. So I had to kind of cheat some of the parameters to get the results we needed. And then also in the simulation, it doesn't actually show the boring bar round, it shows it square. So I'm going to warn you, it's going to look like it's going to collide with your part, but it shouldn't if the correct tool was in the spindle. So we did need to change this to a relief angle of 30 degrees on the insert. And the thickness of the insert, I cut it down to 60 thousandths. Again, and our cutter doesn't really have an insert, so it's just ground back to a sharp point. Okay, hopefully we don't have any more issues and I don't have to issue another addendum for at least this tool library. Thanks a lot, and I'll catch you on the next tutorial.